Daka jingang not bonwanra iki kampun roy boper Haribo district ka baderu kawe ni ki aspirational district ki bor punya district jong kari Bhoi menda kasing ka life hotel uyayong kila Iasoi ka memorandum of agreement bar ka Ntpc limited bongai gaun hakam ratri kamu deputy commissioner hanong po kanega jinga Iasoi MOA apreng ki bor punya district bar ka Ntpc limited kalong berpentri kami ki project berpenkhai ki STEM lab saki arpnyo tli ki school sarkar Haribo district daka jing tumu ben kentiu ka jinang jing start jong samla pulih ka benta jong ka science technology engineering but mathematics laong baga jingra pisan naga ni ka project ka kot hadu shispa sapu prapo insan pholak ka bawan ling ba ka corporate social responsibility jong ka Ntpc limited ka ne ka jing trilang kalong shibenta ben penklanya ka pule puthi bat ban ailat iki khna pule ban yo jing kai ka bapaka hai ki benta jong ka science bat ki jingya te jingya dei jong ka technology hagan ni ka jingelang ban Iasoi ka MOA la sakhilang do deputy commissioner kari Bhoi abilaj Bharanwal IAS ringkat berki het nong mi khmat na ka Ntpc limited haga jingkran la kedeu ba kanega project kan long ka jingrap ka bakrau ban kentiu ka pule puthi Haribo district bat ban prilat ru ik samla pule ba kinyo jing kai ka bapaka bat ban kiu shaprang ka jinang jistan khamtam ha ki benta jong ka stem.
As you rightly said, today we signed an MOU with Ntpc Bongaigaon for setting up 27 STEM labs, science, technology, engineering and mathematics labs across 27 different schools of Ribhoi. These will be secondary, higher secondary schools. Ribhoi being an aspirational district, whenever we approach central government companies for any CSR help, especially in fields of health and education, they are more than responsive. We are very thankful to Ntpc for generously agreeing to our proposal. We had sent a proposal for 55 schools, 55 STEM labs. In first phase, they have agreed for 27. Second phase will also come. And these schools have been selected on the basis of availability of infrastructure, on the basis of their current enrollment of secondary and higher secondary schools. And there is a requirement from Ntpc that these schools have to be either government or government aided. So, yeah, based on these three criteria, we have selected 27 schools. Completed in 6 months. This is and the establishment of STEM labs is in line with the overall emphasis of the government of Meghalaya to encourage students to opt for science, mathematics, etc. The idea is that these streams will be helpful for children for better career opportunities as well. STEM labs will provide an opportunity to the STEM students to get a very hands-on experience on scientific and mathematical concepts. This will allow them an opportunity to go beyond their course books. And the idea of setting up STEM labs in secondary and higher secondary school is to encourage our students from Ribhoi to opt in larger numbers for science-based courses, to increase their curiosity and interest in mathematics as well. This will only enable them to opt for STEM courses later, as well as will help them in competitive examinations as well.